Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 8, Introduction to Trigonometry. In this chapter we are going to discuss about 6 trigonometric ratios. Those are sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. Okay, theta indicates an acute angle of a right angle triangle. Okay, remember in this chapter only right angle triangle will be used. So I have written few formulas related to first exercise 8.1. okay, that is sin theta is P by H, cos theta is B by H, tan theta is P by B. Cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta, that is this is P by H, it will be H by P, reverse. Okay, similarly sec theta is reverse of cos theta, that is H by B. Cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta, that is P by B by P. Okay, what are these P, B, H? P stands for perpendicular or altitude of a right angle triangle, B stands for base, H stands for hypotenuse. Okay, now the thing is how to identify PBH from a right angle triangle. So suppose this is a right angle triangle. We know that the standing line is perpendicular, the bottom line is base line, this is called as base, opposite of 90 degrees hypotenuse. Okay, but in this chapter specially you have to identify PBH because this theta will be indicating an angle. Suppose this is theta, so the line which contains two angles, this is 90 degree, this is theta, it will be taken as base. Opposite of 90 degree is taken as hypotenuse and the third side will be perpendicular. Okay, are you getting? One more, suppose the triangle is given in this way. Okay, I said opposite of 90 degree is hypotenuse, but which one will be the base and perpendicular? How to identify? The line which contains two angle, the line which contains two angle will be taken as base and the third side will be the perpendicular. One more, suppose this is a right angle triangle. Okay, opposite of 90 degree is hypotenuse, the line which contains angle, it will be taken as base and the third side will be the perpendicular. Okay, in this chapter we are going to use one theorem, that is Pythagoras theorem. As you all know, Pythagoras theorem, h square equals to p square plus b square. Okay, this whole chapter depends on this theorem, Pythagoras theorem, h square equals to p square plus b square. Okay, so how to use the formula and how to solve the questions, that I will explain. Okay, let me solve a question and so that you will able to understand how to use these formulas. Okay, suppose there is a question, if given tan A equals to 4 by 3, find the other trigonometric ratios. Okay, find the other trigonometric ratios. So first of all we will write what it is given. It is given that tan A equals to 4 by 3. Okay, just now I have given you formulas. Tan A equals to P by B. So here we are going to write P by B, that means P equals to 4, B equals to 3. What we don't have? We don't have the value of H. So we are going to use Pythagoras theorem, h square equals to p square plus b square. Value of p is 4 square, value of b is 3 square, 4 square is 16, 3 square is 9, 16 plus 9 is 25, h is root over of 25, that is 5. So the value of h we got 5. Okay, Now we have to find out the other trigonometric ratios. So those are sin theta equals to P by H. P is 4, H is 5. Cos theta equals to B by H. B is 3, H is 5. Tan theta equals to, already we have 4 by 3. Okay. Cosec theta. Cosec theta is reverse of this, just write 5 by 4. Sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta, that is 5 by 3. And cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta, it is 3 by 4. Thank you. One more example related to this formula, that is given cot theta equals to 12 by 5. Find other trigonometric ratios. So I have written here cot theta equals to 12 by 5. Already we have discussed its formula, that is B by P. So it says that B equals to 12 and P equals to 5. Which value is missing? Again H is missing. So again we are going to use Pythagoras theorem to find the value of H. Okay. So H square equals to P square plus B square. In this we are going to substitute the value of P, that is 5 square plus 12 square, okay, equals to 25 plus 144. 25 plus 144 is 169. H square is given, bring square this side, it will become root over. Root over of 169 is 13. Plus or minus we have to take, but always the value of H we will take as plus, because in a triangle the values of sides will be taken as positive value. Okay, so H we got 13. Now the 5 trigonometric ratios are sin theta P by H, cos theta B by H, tan theta P by B. Okay, P by H, P is 5, H how much we got? 13, so 5 by 13. B by H, that is 12 by 13. P by B, that is 5 by 12. Okay, similarly cosec theta, reciprocal of sin theta, it will be H by P. So reverse of 5 by 13 you write, it will become 13 by 5. Okay, sec theta, reciprocal of cos theta, 13 by 12. Cot theta, as already is given in the question, 12 by 5. Understood? So like this you find out the value of the missing variable, then you write the formula properly and substitute the values in the proper order. Next example. Okay, construct a triangle ACB right angled at C. This is important, in which AB equals to 29 units, BC equals to 21 units, angle ABC equals to theta. Okay, so first of all we will draw a right angle triangle. Angle C is at right angle, so you have to write C in this place. A and B in any of the place you can write. Now ABC is theta, so angle ABC is theta. Okay, now we will substitute the values here. AB equals to 29, AB equals to 29, BC equals to 21 units. Okay, now which value we don't have? We don't have the side AC. According to this exercise, first we will mention PBH. So the line which contains two angle will be the base, angle opposite to 90 degrees hypotenuse, and the remaining third side is perpendicular. So according to this we got PBH. Now we will use Pythagoras theorem. Okay, H square equals to P square plus B square. H is our AB. P is AC, and B is BC. So AB square equals to AC square plus BC square. Okay, so AB square equals to AC square plus BC square. AB square is 29 whole square, AC we don't have, BC is 21 whole square. So 29 square is 841. equals to AC square plus 21 square is 441. Bring 441 this side towards LHS. 841 minus 441 equals to AC square. So AC square equals to 841 minus 441 is 400. Take square that side. AC equals to root over 400 plus or minus AC equals to 20. So the value of AC is 20. So once again I am going to draw the triangle. This was the triangle, okay, A, C, B. This is right angle. This was theta. So the value of BC is 21, value of AB is 29, and value of AC just now we got 20. Okay. Now according to the question, it was given that we have to find the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta. Cos square theta is B by H according to the formula, and sin square theta is P by H. B is, this is the base is 21, so 21 divided by H is opposite of 90 degree, that is 29 whole square, plus P is, AC is P perpendicular, 20 divided by H is again 29. Okay, so 21 square is 441 divided by 841 plus 400 divided by 841. LCM of 841 is same. Add these two. 441 plus 400 is 841 divided by 841. Value is, answer is 1. Okay. Similarly, the second bit it was given. We have to find the value of cos square theta minus sin square theta. Similarly, we will put the value of cos square theta minus sin square theta. These are the values. Okay. After solving, we will get 441 minus 841 minus 400 divided by 841. LCM will be same. Okay. 841, 441 minus 400. Subtraction of these two will give us 41 divided by 841. This is the correct answer. Okay. Already I told you all the formulas related to 8.1. Sin theta equals to P by H, cos theta equals to B by H, tan theta equals to P by B. These three are reciprocal of these three. Okay. Cosec theta is reciprocal of sin theta, that is reverse. P by H is given, H by P. Okay. Sec theta is reverse of cos theta, B by H will become H by B. Tan theta is P by B, cot theta will be reciprocal of tan theta, that is B by P, reciprocal. Okay. How we are getting reciprocal? Few more formulas I am giving you which will help you how we are getting the reciprocal, and it is very easy to remember the formula. This formula can be remembered as Pandit Badri Prasad Hari Hari Bol Sona Chandi Tol. Okay, like this you can remember the formula, you will never forget. But the thing is that it depends how much you are practicing the question, it will memorize you. Okay, once again, Pandit Badri Prasad Hari Hari Bol Sona Chandi Tol. Okay, so if you are remembering these three formula, automatically you will get the formula of these three. Okay, now few more formulas I said. Cosec theta is 1 by sin theta. I told you reciprocal 1 by sin theta. What we have sin theta? Sin theta is P by H. If it will go to the numerator, it will be reverse. This is called as reciprocal, H by P. Are you getting? Sec theta equals to 1 by cos theta. Okay, these are the relation. We know cos theta is B by H. When it will go to the numerator, it will become H by B. Similarly, cot theta is 1 by tan. Okay, 1 by P by B. When it will go to the numerator, it will become B by P. In this way, we are getting the values. Just an example I am explaining. Suppose sin theta is 4 by 3. Cosec theta is 1 by sin theta 1 by 4 by 3. Just take it to the numerator, 3 by 4. This is called as reciprocal. Okay, these are the three more formulas which you have to remember. Okay, note it down in a notebook and just practice it. One more example. Suppose cos theta is 1 by root 2. Okay, so sec theta is 1 by cos theta 1 by 1 divided by root 2. When it will go to the numerator, root 2 by 1. Getting it? So like this we are getting the reciprocal of this formula. Okay, just revise the question, practice the questions properly, learn the formulas and apply it in the exercise 8.1. Thank you. In the next lecture I am going to explain you how to solve the questions of 8.1. Thank you all of you.